here today to unbox the NSP 8300 exit device. This is simply the best performing exit device in its category. Durability, simplicity, aesthetics, this device really cannot be beat. Our experts here at Southern Lock have torn this thing down to the last screw and spring, and they could not be more impressed by the performance of this product. This is a grade 1 exit device. It's not available anywhere else, so you will not have to price match. If you're in a competitive situation, this is the bar for you. It's available in fire rated and vertical rod, and there's a 10-year warranty. So this is a full bar. It's very easy to cut down. It fits 28 to 36 inch doors. Really heavy duty, smooth return. The spring is really tough in this thing. You can see there's not a lot of moving parts in here. There's a really heavy duty spring that's not going to give you any problems. Very easy to mount, and it comes with everything you need. So the parts kit, we have a heavy duty metal end cap. You have a strike and shims. We have a screw pack with machine screws and many self-tappers. You have a dogging key and covers. So that is the 8300 exit device. There are many different trim options available with this bar. There are pull trims, blank, and with a cylinder hole. There are entry and storeroom levers, and then full escutcheon entry and storeroom levers, and even a heavy duty option when you're tackling an opening that is taking a lot of abuse. So that is our NSP 8300 exit device. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you for your business, and we look forward to hearing from you soon. This exit device is the best, bar none. Are dad jokes not okay on this? We're so confident in this bar, we're offering a 10-year warranty. It would take a tornado to get this thing off the door. Too soon for the tornado jokes?